In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off live in Shopify. There are really two main ways to do this, and which one you choose depends on whether you just want to hide your store from customers for a while or completely shut it down and stop billing. I'll walk you through both options step by step, and you can decide what makes the most sense for your situation. Let's start with the most common approach, which is turning off your live store by enabling the password page. This option is perfect if you want to keep working on your store behind the scenes, but you don't want customers to see it or place orders. From your Shopify admin, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Online Store. Under that, choose Preferences. On the Preferences page, scroll until you find the section called Store Access or Password Protection, usually near the top. Here, you'll see an option to enable password protection for your online store. Turn this option on. When you enable password protection, Shopify will require visitors to enter a password before they can see your storefront. You can set or change the password here as well. This password should only be shared with people you actually want to access the site, such as team members or collaborators. Once you've toggled password protection on and entered a password if needed, make sure you click Save. Saving is important, otherwise your changes won't apply. After that, your store is effectively offline to regular customers. They can't browse products or check out, but you can still log in, customize your theme, add products, and make any other edits you need. This is a great option for maintenance, redesigns, or soft launch scenarios. Now, if you want your store not live at all and you also want billing to stop, you'll need to fully deactivate your store by canceling your plan. From the Shopify admin, go to Settings at the bottom left, then click on Plan. On the plan page, look for the option that says Cancel Plan. Click that, and a pop-up will appear with two choices: to cancel your current plan or to start a new store. Choose Cancel Plan. You'll be asked to review some information. Check the box confirming that you've reviewed the details, then click Continue. Shopify will prompt you to select a reason for closing your store. Pick the one that fits best and click Continue again. Finally, you'll be asked to enter your account password to confirm that you really want to cancel. After entering it, click Cancel Plan. Once this is done, your store is fully offline and closed. Customers can't access it and your billing will stop. If you change your mind later, you can log back in to reactivate and choose a new plan. But until then, your store won't be live.